Hi guys, this is Reagan, your local wheeler here at Wheeler Dealer in beautiful Boise, Idaho. Today I'm just going to go over our new consignment. We're going to go over the condition today. I'll have all the specifications down in the description below so you can look at anything. And then if you have any questions or comments, feel free to PM me. Everything looks to be in just great condition, mechanically and cosmetically. We'll go over every little thing, any little scratch, because I know we get a lot of buyers from out of state. So it's always great to be as transparent as possible. We'll start towards the front here. Tire tread looks to be as such. Forks look good. All the lights work. Seat, handlebars, everything looks to be in good condition. Now I think really the paint just doesn't do it any justice in the pictures or video. In person it's just so beautiful. It's got a burnt orange color. There's a lot of storage, of course, in this. It was definitely built to haul and to go on long road trips. Definitely a great cruiser bike. As you can see, there's lots of place to organize stuff. Latches work as they should. Nothing's corroded. This front here area here is for a cooler. Tread on the back tires look good. You can see there's just a little bit of the peeling there, but nothing crazy. Looks really beautiful overall. This latch is easy to open. Hydraulics work good. Very clean. Lockable. You can see the chrome pipes here. Everything looks to be in good condition. All right, and we're going to start her up here. Thank you. As you can see, it starts up really quiet, starts up right away, no smoke. Wheeler Dealer is located at 10250 West Fairview Avenue in Boise, Idaho. We do transport. We also do financing. You can ask for me. My name is Reagan. Thanks, guys.